Hey Unicorns, what is up? Is your Ashley? So, we are unboxing my case sleeve for the month of July. I couldn't remember what month it was. That's really sad. That's what the package looks like. And then we have this little card. It says, "Thank you. We are so excited for you to unwrap your case sleeve. We hope that you love what's inside. Join the club. Love changing up your style. Become a Casely Club member. Club members receive a new case every month or season for just $15 a month. Actually, this is seasonal, so this would be for summer. Sorry. Plus, they get exclusive access to our newest cases before anyone else. Share your casely and help us make a difference. Tag your new purchase on Instagram and we will donate $1 of our charity of the month. And then follow us on Instagram." That is what that is. Oh my gosh. I really wish I didn't look at that. That is the overjoyed form. Oh my god, you guys. Look at Sorry. Look at this. This is so freaking cute. It's like an artsy rainbowy pattern. This is so cute. Oh my god. It's like the pastel colors. Yeah, it's pastel rainbow. I'm gonna hold you guys for a second. This is so freaking cute. So my link will be down below for Casely if you guys want to go check it out and get a really cute phone case like this. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below to become part of the Unicorn fam, turn on post notifications, and as always guys, stay flawless.